To Unstake Phantom Wallet login, you need to understand what staking is and how it works in the context of the Phantom Wallet. Staking is a process that allows you to earn rewards by holding and validating certain cryptocurrencies. The Phantom Wallet is a popular digital wallet used for storing, sending, and receiving cryptocurrencies, particularly on the Solana blockchain. First, you need to access your Phantom Wallet account by going to the Phantom website and clicking on the Extensions or Apps tab, then selecting the Phantom Wallet icon to launch it. Once you have launched your Phantom Wallet, you will need to connect it to the Solana blockchain by selecting the correct network. Next, navigate to the Stake tab within your Phantom Wallet account. This tab will display all your staked assets and their corresponding rewards. Identify the specific asset you want to unstake and click on the three dots next to it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the Unstake option to begin the unstaking process. You will then be prompted to confirm the unstaking transaction. Carefully review the transaction details to ensure you are unstaking the correct amount and asset. It is essential to understand that unstaking may take some time, as the transaction needs to be processed on the blockchain. After confirming the transaction, wait for the unstaking process to complete. The time it takes for the unstaking to complete may vary depending on the blockchain's congestion and the asset's specific unstaking period. Once the unstaking is complete, your assets will be transferred back to your Phantom Wallet, and you will no longer be earning staking rewards for that particular asset. It is crucial to keep in mind that unstaking may result in a loss of potential rewards. Before unstaking, consider the current market conditions and the potential benefits of continuing to stake your assets. Additionally, always prioritize the security of your Phantom Wallet by using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and keeping your wallet software up to date. By following these steps, you can successfully unstake your Phantom Wallet login and manage your digital assets effectively. Remember to stay informed about the latest developments in cryptocurrency and digital wallets to make the most out of your Phantom Wallet experience.